Hi, I'm Stefano Fregnani, Commercial Director of Kosmosoft, and finally it's a time for introduce you in the unbelievable world of Archimede. Software that will make your life easier and nicer. Archimede is a complete software solution that can embrace and manage every single need of your joinery. Archimede embraces your need, splitting his functionality in 4 macro area modules. CRM, a customer relationship management for make easy professional offer to your customer in real time. For analyze time and cost of your company in every stage. For analyze efficiency of your company thanks to statistics. And manage your dealers, giving them a tools for make the offer. CAD-Computer aided design. For design normal and strange project based on internal design environment dedicated to Windows Producer. Getting cutting glass assembly list and printout with one click. Create photorealistic view of your project, and at the end, produce a real section view of your project. CAM, computer-aided machinery, a possibility to manage your machine, a cutting press, CNC router, high productivity machine, a possibility to manage printout dedicated to specific production stage for help and drive your workers. For organize and synchronize all your production stage thanks to a unique brain tool. And at the end, an incredible realistic 3-dimensional simulator for avoid the collision and also interpret the real ISO code of the machine. The enterprise resource planning is for manage your store, for systemize your supply order, for plan your production on a Gantt calendar, and also for manage the time of your employer. Imagine many little useful blocks where you can build exactly what you desire. Archimede will help you to give to your company the shape that you desire. Of course, Archimede is already translated in many languages. If Archimede is still not translated in your language, it is a big problem? Absolutely no. Absolutely no, because all the translations are based on a text file that you can manage also independent from us. Besides, Archimede supports also particular characters as Cyrillical and Asian.